Hey guys, in this video, we are going to go through this indicator called Advanced Buy Sell Signals by BB by MATZAP. So basically, later we will take 3 points of the indicator and we will find out its profit and loss using risk-reward ratio. So before we start, I will show you the indicator later. So basically, the indicator we will go through its definition and its performance later. And to add on, if the risk reward projection is more than 1, means that we can plan our trade if as the reward is higher compared to the risk, means that we can make more compared to our risk. So later we will try out. So as disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. As this indicator, it indicates the buy-sell signal arrows based on the price and MACD histogram. So in this indicator, there are 3 categories. First, we'll have blue buy arrows and red sell arrows. Second, we'll have the tag indicator. And lastly, it will provide a MACD histogram and Bollinger Band. And later, we'll go through it. So let's start. First of all, you can open out the indicator in your chart. You can just go to the indicators tab and search for advanced buy sell signal indicator by MATZAP. So you can just open out this indicator. It will pop up onto your trading workspace, and also you can customize the setting of the chart. You can just go through the settings, and as you can see, you can customize the setting. For example, the source of the data you can set to open, high, low, close, and others based on your preference. And also you can change the multiplier and also the length of the candlestick considered for the data. For example, you want if a more long term, you can just increase the length to maybe 40, 50, or even 100 based on your trading strategy. So I will stick to 20 for this indicator. If you want to find out the description and definition of this indicator, you can just go to the 3 dots and open out about this script. So in this indicator, like just now we mentioned, there are 3 categories. First, arrows. When blue arrow is formed, means that it will call a buy signal, and when red arrow is formed, means that sell signal are indicate as an alert. And also they provide tag mark shown and how close the arrow is. So basically we'll go through this at the definition tab later. And also all these price are based on price and MACD histogram, means the arrow are indicate and signal out based on price and MACD histogram. And also you can go through this by finding out the definition in the settings tab. So as you can see, when the buy arrow is created, means that the price is greater than the previous price, and also the MACD histogram and current MACD histogram is greater than previous. And vice versa, sell arrow also indicate less than, and also the current MACD is less than the yesterday MACD histogram. And also they also provide this tag, basically as you can see here, the blue tag and the red tag. So when the blue tag is above the red tag, means that the recent price considered as a buy signal. When the blue tag is below than the red tag, means that the recent price is sell, means that we are at the sell signal. So basically you can just go through the definition. For example, red tag is the threshold boundary barrier for the next arrow, while for the blue tag is the current in the space and average price MACD delta values. You can go through this definition, and also lastly they provide Bollinger Band so that we can determine the range of the trading. So let's start. First of all, as you can see, this tag when blue, let me drop this now. So this tag help us when we can plan for our next trade. So it will help us to strategize our future trading strategy. So basically currently is blue tag is higher than red tag. So means that this is a buy signal. When blue tag is higher than red tag means the buy signal. So this indicator will show you a buy signal. If you want to plan your trade, you can just opt for a long position, and the stop loss will be here, this area, the last support candlestick, while for the take profit point will be here. So as you can see, the risk reward ratio for long term more than 10 candlestick is 1.18, and the text shows a reversal buy signal, and also the risk reward ratio is 1.18, means that our reward will be more than our risk. So this is a good trade that we can plan in our strategy for our trading. So this is the definition for tag. If the red tag is higher than the blue tag, means that it's a sell signal. So basically you can plan maybe for your short position, or you can set for cut loss for your trade. And you can see as here, we will take the latest point. So first, these 2 points. So basically this point shows a fail short term, but this point show a good short term. So for example, if you want to trade for this point with a reversal signal, make sure that you need to set for your cut loss. So this point, and we'll plan to go back to this high region volume area, and for our stop loss will be at here. So if you want to trade for this point based on this indicator, make sure that you cut loss at this point 20.93, and also you can plan for your trade to go back for the high volume place region as our resistance. So basically you can plan your trade if you are trading for this point. But this point it shows in the future trend, it shows a fail point. So basically you need to cut loss at 0.02. So maybe for the next trade, you can have a reward strategy plan. So let us find out for this point, the another point. So I will delete this first. So basically the next point. So if you want to plan our trade, we can set our point. So for example, we want it to go back to each region, and the cut loss definitely will be this point. So this point, the risk reward ratio is quite high, 7.5, and it's also show a reversal, secondary reversal. So this point for sure it will make a high return for your trading strategy. So you can plan for this point for your trading. So if you trade for more point, maybe you are trading for 3 or 4 point, maybe your trading will be more successful. Maybe you have 1 loss or 1 loss and 3 wins, maybe 2 loss or 4 wins. In the end, your return will be a profit, as you are taking for the average win compared to the lose. So you can try out this strategy based on your plan. For example, you want to trade at this point. Let me plot this out. For example, this point will be our trade, as it shows an indicator and also a 3 days drop. So basically is maybe will be oversold, and if you want to plan our trade will be take profit at this area, and cut loss will be around this area. So basically, as you can see, this point is making a reward winning, and the risk reward ratio is around 4, and also it shows a winning strategy based on the indicator. So yeah, basically this is how you can plan your trade using this indicator, advanced buy sell signal, and make sure that you are sure with your cut loss point and take profit point. You need to be punctual with your point set as a cut loss and take profit, so that your strategy will be more organized, and also you can make profit based on your strategy. So yeah, basically that's all how you can use this indicator, and this video serves as a educational purpose only. So make sure that you plan your trade. Maybe you can use paper trading first before you start trading using this indicator. Make sure that you need to have your own strategy before you start your trade. Yeah, basically that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoy, and thanks.